Good morning, sunshine. Folks, Sting Flight is heading in a new direction. After flying this little airplane over 1,750 hours in 6 years and creating more than 100 YouTube videos, it's time to freshen up that same old look and approach. This refreshment will be brought about with a razor. No, not that kind of razor. This kind. A Polaris off-road vehicle, RZR. Starting with my next video release in a few days, henceforth, all of my videos will contain both the traditional aerial component and an on-the-ground, up-close and personal component using the RZR. Also, going forward, the focus of my videos will be on remote places with beautiful scenery and few or no people. Places that 99.99% of you will never otherwise get to experience. My first 5 videos with this fresh look will come from Nevada, and they're just about done. Here's a short preview of the razor component to them. Let's ride.
Daily grind, life ain't just a dollar sign. Clocking miles, throttle down, helps you leave it all behind. It doesn't get any better than this when you live what you love and love what you live.